Your script is ready, so now let's add characters to your story. Welcome to Step 2. Add characters. If the same character appears more than once in your video, creating them here helps keep their appearance consistent from scene to scene. Let's create your first character. Click the plus button, and a new character card will appear with example details. Simply replace the example details with your own. You can add up to 4 characters to each video. Before we continue, here's one quick tip. Character names are very important. Crreo's video director uses names to match your script with the correct characters. So if your character is named Amara in your script, make sure you also use the character name Amara here. There are 2 ways to create a character: text-based and photo-based. Whichever option you choose, give your character a clear description. You can include their age, hairstyle, clothing, and any other features you want to keep consistent throughout the video. With text-based, Crreo creates the character from your description when it generates the storyboard in Step 3. If you have a reference image and want your character to closely follow that appearance, choose photo-based. This option uses an image as the character's visual reference, helping maintain stronger consistency in their face and overall appearance. Enter your character description, then click Generate. Crreo will create 3 image options for you to choose from. When you find one you like, click Use Generated Image. Before continuing, take a moment to check the image. Make sure it's clear and doesn't contain any text or objects you wouldn't want in the final video. If something needs adjusting, click Edit and describe the change you'd like to make. Once the image looks right, click Expand in the bottom right corner to take a closer look and check the character's details. If you're happy with the final result, click Use Edited Image to confirm your selection. If you already have an image of your character, you can also click the image box or drag and drop your own reference image to upload it. Just note that photo-based characters require a grow plan or above to be added to your video. If you don't want to create a character from scratch, scroll down to the Crreo library, where you'll find both text-based and photo-based characters ready to use. Browse the available characters. When you find one that fits your story, click Use Character to add them to your video. Once you have characters in place, you can choose your story mode: narrative or dialogue. Select narrative when you want one narrator to tell the story while your characters appear on screen. Crreo will use the narrator voice you selected in Step 1, so no additional voice setup is needed in Step 2. If you'd like to change it, return to Step 1 and adjust the narrator voice there. Select dialogue when you want your characters to deliver their own lines. Each character will have a voice selector. You can choose a voice, preview it, and try different options until you find one that fits. If you're on the Grow plan or above, click Save to My Characters for any characters you'd like to reuse. Then, open My Library to view your saved characters. This makes it easy to use the same characters in future projects without creating them again. Once your characters, story mode, and voices are ready, click Generate Storyboard in the top right corner. And that's Step 2 complete. Crreo will bring your script, characters, and voice settings together to create your storyboard, ready for you to review and edit in Step 3. In the next video, we'll share a few simple tips for keeping your characters consistent and making sure they appear in the right scenes. See you in the next tutorial.